Hey guys, it's still VR, and today we're gonna play some Monkey Realm, and we're gonna have fun, and let's see what it's all about, because I see Jim and Curly play it, and Elliot. Intense Steel. Louis Games. What are you thinking so what? Ew, I'm a monkey. Monkey.
Go inside. Let's go inside.
Alright guys, let's go. Let's go, Robbie.
Hey guys, somebody just accidentally dropped the bomb. Oh crap.
I'm a skibbity. Yeah, I should wear this, bro. I'm a kid.
We definitely did not leave that guy in the sewers.
I'm a baby kid. I'm gonna go find some food.
We left some guy in the sewers. I think he's lost. Hey, someone!
Is it that guy over there?
Someone help me! Nah, that's fine.
I'm driving my invisible car, bro. It's fired.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Someone help me!
My invisible car, bro.
Get away from me, bro. Get away from me.
Get over here.
Hey guys, do you want to see my cool run?
How do I use it? How do I use it? Yo, bro, what button is low gravity, bro? I'm stupid. What button is it?
Oh,
Hey, do you want to see a cool trick that I can do? Look at this, look at
the
this.
all low gravity just for safe.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Okay,
I am
lagging.
Iron Man.
Oh my gosh, today
I'm in a new Bugatti.
I'm on my surfboard. I'm on my surfboard. I'm on my
No,
surfboard.
don't believe in gravity, bro. Just a set that
How
has
do you
a
get on your mind?
You guys still believe in gravity, bro? Just walk on the wall, man. It's easy.
With the bananas. So,
I got
Yeah.
finally.
Alright, guys.
How do you get on the
Let's go for a spin.
So,
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
right now, so let's get to the video.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Hey guys, how do you put on the mod? He's I don't know, how do I?
I want to drink this, bro.
I got the Banhammer. I got the Banhammer. What?
No, you do not.
Inside does. I'm high.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Guys, help.
Hey,
I might be exploding.
You're lying to me.
Hey, bro.
My spoon is drifting me to the store.
Here, you gotta buy it.
Hey, bro, y'all still believe in gravity, bro? Walk on the wall. It's easy.
No.
I need to drink some more water.
Very easy.
8:50, 8:57 a.m. Do 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 do. 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 Banana.
I woke up in a new guy.
9 a.m. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 10 a.m. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 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 6 a.m.
Okay, I'm taking you right.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
How do you get the
My morning routine. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. My breakfast.
help?
I wipe it on my face.
Wait, no.
I need a good sharpening.
Help?
Do 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 do.
Got like a mod.
Do 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 do.
Help! I'm upside down and I'm small. I have 2 mods on it.
Not a mod.
Bridge.
Long guards mod. Is it anywhere?
I need a banana.
No, it's not a mod. I just have
Can
natural
someone help
bombs.
me? I buy
Oh.
I buy
Beans,
those
bro, it's
beans
beans.
down there, but I don't know how to equip them.
I wish I don't even have that yet, bro.
Can someone help me equip them?
Do 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 do.
Can someone help me equip them?
I'm gonna buy gravity flip.
Oh my god. God.
Someone help me.
I can't help you, bro. I'm sorry.
It just spends 8
My morning routine, guys. First, I take off my face, and then I go for a swim.
What is actually wrong with you? I'm bigger than all y'all.
I go for a swim. Do, 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 do.
I'm
9 a.m.
everybody in this lobby. I'm bigger than everybody in this lobby. I'm bigger and better than everybody
Do,
in
do,
the
do.
lobby.
Shut up!
I'm bigger and
Nobody
better
cares, bro.
I'm bigger and better. I'm bigger and better. I'm bigger and better. Help me equip the mod.
Okay, I'm doing suicide.
Please.
Do, 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 do. Yeah, I'm on my boat right now, guys. Look.
Hey, who said he's the biggest in the... Can someone help?
And then I need to eat my morning breakfast.
I'm doing the notebook quick.
Then I shower.
Can someone help?
And then I go in my house
I need help.
and eat these tiny screws.
I need help.
And then I go in my sauna.
I'm not stuck.
Hey, yeah, can you help me get the mod?
And then I go for a swim again.
Help me equip the damn mods. I buy
And then I go build my. Then I go horrify kids. Turn off the shower. I don't have any money.
Why is nothing appearing? I guess I have to restart my
Bro,
game.
dude.
Wait,
Did you say restart your game?
It can work. It can work.
Ew! Whoa, my elevator's twitching.
Bro.
I said tweaking, yeah, my elevator's tweaking.
Bro, I'm trying to do this glitch.
Monkey craft. I am Cheeks.
I'm Steve. Mommy, help me! I'm 17. Go out in my
I built my house. I built a house in the Empin Plains. He started to grief my base, and I killed his family. For sanity, he took my diamond blocks. Then my dog, I killed my dog and ate him. You racist piece of shit. I ate my dog. You guys say that. What's happening, bro? What is it with Spark? Flappy Bird.
Okay, now officially we
No.
are okay.
No!
No? Find it.
I'm Cave Diver. Let me know. Let me know. Do you know the way I do? You know the way I do that.
Smell? That smells Sicilian.
Yo, bro. Meow. I'm just a kid with a big. I'm a cool poople.
When I was
I'm doing
a
the floss,
kid,
guys, look.
I yearned for the mines.
I'm doing the floss, guys. Look. Oh, why am I so floating?
You smell?
Yeah,
That
I drew
smells
this, guys.
Sicilian. Why are you so broke?
I'm time traveling.
You just made me
I
poor boy.
pass.
I turn off speed, bring my speed.
Spin my speed.
Ugh.
You just so bro.
Spin my speed. Spin my speed.
And then I go play with my hockey skills.
Now try this. Now try this.
Ching, chang, ching.
I am not a little boy.
Now try this. Now try
You're not a little boy? Fine, I won't take you then. I spent all my money.
Get me bored.
Ah! Okay, that's how I do my morning routine.
Wait, that one is for me because you can make me fall.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
This, man. Nah, oh, ew.
Well, I should be
Oh,
one
boom!
for you.
There goes your top.
Open it up.
You guys roll the rat.
But instead, I become Sonic.
Come here. Rat. Nah, bro. Try this.
Go, go,
It
go.
didn't work, bruh.
Wait, I got the Jellyton.
Shit it!
Oh my god, yeah. Double helicopter.
Ooh, gobble. Y'all still believe in gravity? Just walking along, man. It's easy.
Open it up.
Guys, I'm statue.
You can't get me any more, boy.
Nah, I'm
You can't get me any
statue.
more, boy.
Get out!
You can't get me any more, boy.
Open
Oh no. You can't get me any more, boy. Oh, let's go.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
You can't be just stealing my stuff over here, buddy. Little boy. What are you doing?
Skyscraper run.
Oh no.
You wanna run it?
Let's go.
Oh, feel so wet. Oh, Chris.
It's my house, boy.
Oh,
Okay?
this is my house, boy.
Nah.
Whoa.
It's my identification,
My
bro.
house. Whoa.
You maybe not know what that is, though.
Nah, bro, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Yeah, you don't even have the rolls. I have Grizz, and you don't have
You
Grizz.
actually, guys,
Ugly.
You
Gravity.
don't have
Look.
any. Nah, just how am I ugly? I'm the same skin as you, bro.
Yeah, but you don't have the rolls as me, little boy.
You guys.
Yeah.
Like, bro, why would I buy a stupid little rose? Like, rock punch, bro. Just spin in
Punch
the air.
back.
It's easy.
Big bat.
Wait, can you go into the moderator?
Stand.
Nah, bro.
Can you?
No.
No.
I've been in there multiple times. bro.
Cap.
I've been in there multiple times.
Go did it third person.
Just
Wow,
walk on
nice
the wall,
person
man.
down.
These are
I
just
went into
copying
the
me.
moderator bench multiple times, bro. I went into the moderator bench multiple times. Can I see?
Can I see?
Yep.
Oh,
I'm telling you,
yeah,
that.
I'm a boy.
Yeah.
How'd you get into
I
the
got my
map?
shit for money, bro.
I mean, how'd she get into the moderator?
You wallet.
I know a glitch how to get into the moderator fence. I know a glitch how to get into the moderator fence. Can you show me? Can you show me? One moment. So you want me to go through Russian roulette?
He's doing third person, guys.
Man, fuck you. Oh yeah, actually,
You
still
won't
believe in gravity?
Oh, no.
Let's walk on the wall.
I can't believe someone just copied my avatar and just think it's theirs.
I believe in gravity. Wait, you.
Bro, I can't believe someone believed it. Bro, I can't believe this dude literally copied my outfit. I mean,
Bro,
you see
I
the
didn't.
difference?
But you're an angel, though. You're an
Not you,
angel.
this
You're an
dude right
innocent
here.
little baby. And he's a fat, ugly,
Oh, this dude
fat
literally
monkey.
copied my outfit.
But you're an angel.
Bro, literally copied my outfit, bro. I'm a wreck.
I just used
Bro, I literally copied my own outfit in real life, bro.
I'm surfboarding, guys.
I'm a
Look at
rep
this.
nerd.
Fine, I'll change.
Bro, this guy copied my outfit in real life, bro. I'm a rap nerd.
Huh?
Rugrat.
He's about to copy your avatar. What the? I'm to myself.
Oh, you got done, bitch. Nah. Wait, no.
I'm running, guys. Look.
Because everything is just. Hey, guys, I'm running. Watch.
Look how fast I can run, bro. Ready? Ready?
Let's look how fast I can run. Ready? Look how run.
See, I didn't copy you.
Guys, look how fast. Guys, look
He's
how
the
fast
same hybrid as you. He's a monkey.
Guys, look how fast I can run. Look, guys, look how fast I can run. Hurry up.
Why would you steal that guy's avatar, bro? You're literally a monkey.
Bro, you copied my avatar in real life.
Yo, he became a monkey, bro. He's a monkey, bro.
I'm a black one.
Oh, my arm like
I'm
chopsticks,
this
bro.
long black.
What the heck?
It's like this. Now it's like,
I don't eat, bro. I'm fat.
I literally didn't even copy you.
He copied, bro. He copied. Look at that. Alright. Let's go for another swim down the slide. All I have to do
Oh my god.
is this. I'm coming after you. I'm in Subnautica, bro. One, two, three. Yellow caviar. I got pitchfork, guys. Don't mess with me. I stand on business. Oh.
Can someone help me get them?
Row, my boat gently down my stream. Barely, life was like a dream. Cookie, yeah, cookie, yeah, cookie, yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe for more content like this, because the rat rug is gonna come after you with his morning routine. And this guy is my homie right here. They gonna shock you with that little thingy. What?
Don't I got this fine?
I need to end my video.
Fine,